we have the elusive black crow. Caw, caw, caw. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Oh, it's on the neighbor's roof. Anyway, this is Laura at Laura Talks Softer, and I'm harassing the local birds. I've been doing gardening out here, and I think because I've been trimming this, let me bring it back in, that it probably the insects are closer. Oh God, I hear it. Oh, he went up there. See him? Caw, caw. Caw, caw, caw. I better stop. I better stop. I'm not in Bodega Bay or anything where the birds was filmed. I could just see it. I might be saying something bad, bird. Hi, birdie, birdie, birdie. They're very intelligent. I love you. Have a good day.